Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Note Show. Here we have Dr. Ivan Terrero in Florida, and today we're going to talk about why invest in real estate notes. So why is this a good idea?
I think it's a good idea. In the last 10 years, these shows on TV have exploded. Fix and flip shows, rehabilitating a neighborhood. It all sounds very sexy, but ultimately it takes a lot of work. As someone who was a landlord and experienced the triple T, which is trash, tenants, and toilets, and I would add termites also. No, owning a property has risk and it also has its benefits. But when I discovered notes, I discovered it was an excellent way to invest in real estate without buying the property and actually being involved in the day-to-day maintenance of that property. So when you invest in notes instead of real estate, again, you won't stand in front a foreclosure auction or research, go to these shows, or have to go to Home Depot to buy these products to rehabilitate the house. With notes, you can actually buy these notes directly from the bank and not worry about, again, the aforementioned three T's: trash, tenants, and toilets. So what are the benefits of note investing? Okay, you can have a reliable, consistent income. There are various ways of exiting the investment. You have opportunities to invest in bulk with note pools. You have no responsibility to the property. There are a lot of ways to profit, and your capital is secured by the property. So if in any case that the borrower defaults on the loan, you can take that property back. So that is one of the reasons, those are the reasons why I became a note investor. When I discovered that banks do not flip houses, banks do not cut the grass, I found out that this is the way banks make their money. So this is why I think everyone should have notes in their portfolio. The other thing that notes offer is that it's not correlated to the stock market, meaning that if the stock market goes up or goes down, your return on your investment is consistent without the volatility of the stock market.
No, that's great.
Mhm.
So maybe tell us a little bit more about buying a note from a bank. For example, I've heard that you sometimes get a discount. What does that mean?
So you have to have a relationship with the bank or hedge fund. And what banks do every so often is that they have these pool of notes that they sell. If you've ever had a mortgage, most likely your mortgage was sold to another company, another servicing company. What banks do is that when they want to raise capital, they sell these pool of notes to investors. And this was not available before for the mom and pop investor. It was only available to institutions. And since 2008 came around, they have been able to sell these pool of funds directly to investors. Now you have to have a relationship with these banks and these mutual with these hedge funds in order to access these pool of notes.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
And I understand you buy notes yourself, you sell notes yourself, and you also take sort of private investing in notes too for people who just want mailbox money.
Yes. We buy notes. We also create notes on properties that we have. We also are looking for private investors that are looking for that mailbox money. They want that check on a monthly basis. And we also have, here I'm drawing a blank again. Let's cut that. Okay.
So when you're ready, just say, and we also have, or
Mhm.
or something else.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, so we also have a referral system. If you refer someone to us and purchases a note, we will give that person, the referral, a thank you um, gift. Some people think it's a bribe, but it's not a bribe; it's a gift.
It's a token of appreciation.
A token appreciation. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, exactly.
that's perfect. So the invitation is if people are interested in purchasing a note or selling a note or investing as a passive investor, then
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
So you want to give your contact information here?
So anyone can go to my website, www.thenotedoctor.com. There is a Calendly link in there if you want to speak with me directly. And I also forgot to mention that you can also invest in a note with an IRA.
Aha.
Hmm.
That sounds like a topic for another discussion here.
Okay, that's true. Yep, we'll talk
Yeah.
about that next time.
Okay. So reach out to Dr. Ivan if you're interested in either of those things: selling a note, buying a note, or being an investor, and in real estate notes.
Hmm.
And we'll and thank you for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you.